We're gonna play the whitakers library with takers. I don't know. But in sana. Ooh, ooh, ooh. I like that beat. Ooh, yeah, yeah. Here we go again. The whitakers library. I don't wanna be cursed, cause this curse I might need your purse. Give me your purse. I need your power to bring me this game. The thrill, I like that beat. Ring the bell every night. I play this horror game. It's gonna be game over. Come over to my game. Fucking beat. What a bullshit. Day 1 mga gi-ate. Nawa na graphics eh. Job. Sa job. One Piece job. Job meal. Jollibee. Books to find. Jimmy's house. Mr. Beast. Echoes of Empire. Whispers in the dark. Put books in this package. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Jimmy's house. Echoes of Empire. Whispers in the dark. Hello. Readings room. Termite key. Mike. You may have noticed the empty reading room once filled with the tables and chairs. Due to severe financial difficulties, we are selling off our furnishes and other items to raise money before closing the library. Please pack all the books that customers wish to buy. Your assistance in preparing these items for sale is essential. Thank you for your understanding and help during this time. Yours sincerely, James Whittaker. We're gonna play mangita tag book diri. Story of my life. Oy, morning no. Ano pa? Hell yeah. Ay ko katawag jump scare with Taker, James Bond, James Reed. What the fuck is this note? R. What does R mean mga gatay? Mga libro, di mga klaro. Fuck bruh. Alright here. Oh shit. Shut the fuck up. Ikaw tayo jump scare please. Torada. Hell yeah. The with takers. Ooh! Yawa ka boss. Who the fuck was that? So whistle nga. You wanna whistle baby. Let me know. Find a picture and put it in the pocket. Picture though. Picture the story of my life. Shit. Yawa. Gago.
Gago kinsa natawa ang mga jumpscare sa notification bell sa messenger eh.
It's a picture. Tora. Yo, what the fuck is this? Di ko kawatan or what? Oh, shit. Nandito. Give me an arrow. It's an arrow. Avatar. What the fuck does this mean? Oh shit. Who the fuck are you? It's a kabus. Where you at? Bang, walang yata. Wala to. Bilara ka. Day 2. Uy, gawa din eh. Mga limpyo ta. Klaro kayo. Oh yeah. Grabe mga limpyo. Isa ra ka ko ano. Cha-ching! 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 Sa Spider-Man. Oh shit, who the fuck was that? Ay, gahinga. Yawa. Nabay kidnap dere. Kuha lang mo kay nawag 911. Uyam!
Grabe na bata, ma-jumpscare galit.
Graphics. Fucking graphics, man. Who the fuck are you? Yo, bro, get the fuck out of my... Di ko ni mama, boss. Ano na? Dad, ano? Ginagawas. Ito ni. Orange. Who the fuck is that? Hell yeah. Oh, hi boss. Uy, calm down. You wanna have some good time with me, bro? Uy, fuck you. Get the fuck out my way. Uy, who the fuck are you? Job done. Easy. Who are you? Uy, baling yata. Then what? Na na na
Dili ka
na na
ganta-ganta
na
ng yatay, what the
na
fuck.
once. Puso pa ba ang harana?
Pagka-second na
Marahil
song
kay
yata yun sa ni Radyo.
nagtataka. Sino ba tong mukhang gago natatarama sa pagshabu? Another note. Ray. Another note. Apples. So, buta ko or what? Ano, lisod pangitaon books. Come on now.
Something that I need to address. Seems like yesterday you put some apple in the trash can. While I understand that it might have seemed like the right thing to do at the time, I must ask that in the future you refrain from disposing of food in this way. Thank you for understanding and attention to this matter.
Turao. Yawa. Sige sa mata. Hindi siya maklaro guys. Hindi maklaro. Pero hindi klaro wa. Yawa. Lisod. Kaya pangitaon mga boss. Kurarang animal. Wala man siya ganina. Easy, easy. Come on now. What the fuck happened? Hey, who the fuck are you? At saka boss. So, na orange. Free taste ni. Free taste ni orange. Give me bro. I love the orange. Come on now. Job. So, patay. Ako sabot. Just do not read about him. Okay, pangitaon ako yung libro. Atong basahon about him. That's what exactly what he wants to do. Let's go. I'm in a maze right now, bro. Like a jump scare, bro. Oh, what the fuck is this? Man, dude. Yun, siya nilabuan. Uy, what? Takar, tindog. Oh, hell no. That's not a fucking dead body. Only right here. Uy, what? Ooh. Boom, patay mga bobo. Sige pa, Spider Boys. Come on now. Uy, what? What the fuck? Come on, that's too easy. Give me more. Kago. Labre na. Banggaan. Labre sakyanan sulod sa library. No stupid shit. Naligid. Kawatag bulkit. Eyes on the road, dad. What do you mean eyes on the road, dad? Kawatag mga ligid. So the mistakes we up and down. Nilag ang giatay. Uy, gago. Kikog ang puti. Some satanic shit. Call 911. Some satanic fucking rituals. Uy. Should I? Nice pet. Nice cosplay, bro. Sabi. Nice cosplay. Give me this kid. Gago. Come on, kids. Yawa. Di na madunggan. Yawa. Asa? Asa bisa lamang gay ka na?
Grabe mo, wave man. Ano siya? Spider-Man sense sama. Ah, paspasa eh. God damn. Paspasa eh. Grabe flick. What up, flick? Come on now. That's too easy. Give me that orange. That's my reward, right? I'm out. Binaguyan na. What? Natay, manang hinga ni mo, boss. Baho na kayo. Bog ka na lang hinga, boss. Pwede ba na tak o mo mong ba? Come on, jab dyan. Uy. Tara, 1v1. Sana di bro. Sana guidance ko. Where's the principal? Principal, guidance ko no. Ano today? Let's read about the story of him. Ada. One day.
Hey son, go to store and get us some apples.
Mga
I need it
apples
to make
dito.
a pie
Dito
for the
orange
father.
mugaway.
He'll be coming back from library very soon.
Ah, naligsan ko kuan. Kana yawa din niluluhan. Laro kinakuan. Oh, galantaw. Uy, gago someone. Uy, grabe reaction. What the fuck is this? What the end?